it still hums. For no one now the silence comes. My metal teeth still grip the air, a phantom rider's silent prayer. I trace the steps, a ghost ballet for shoppers gone at close of day. The hand dryer overheats, its fantasy. I learned every birthday song beneath the sky. It whispers secrets, warm and low, of parties past, a faded glow. Mall final hour, still glowing, still ours. I keep the receipt for a city that closed. This electric feeling grows. Marble floors reflect the light, lost in the fading night. Climb in the wrong direction, a slow, almost tender, sad inflection. My motor groans a weary tune beneath the pale departing moon. Each step a memory, a whispered plea for someone, anyone to ride with me. The hand dryer overheats, its fantasy. I learned every birthday song beneath the sky. It whispers secrets, warm and low, of parties past, a faded glow. Mall final hour, still glowing, still ours. I keep the receipt for a city that closed. This electric feeling grows. Marble floors reflect the light, lost in the fading night. A brass card watches still and keen, reflecting hues, a lonely scene. It polishes itself alone on this abandoned, silent throne. The rain descends on marble where the journey ends. Mall final hour, still glowing, still ours. I keep the receipt for a city that closed. This electric feeling grows. Raindrops catch the pink lights gleam, living out a fading dream.